Deep inside the pyramids, scientists have discovered something that shouldn't exist. A hidden space, no doors, no explanation. For over 4,500 years, the pyramids of Giza have stood silently in the desert. But now, they may finally be revealing their biggest secret. In ancient Egypt, these massive structures were built during a time when humans didn't have modern tools. The largest pyramid was built for Pora Khufu, a monument so precise that even today engineers struggle to explain it. But here's the strange part. For something believed to be a tomb, it's almost empty. Over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing several tons, placed with incredible precision. No cranes, no machines, just ancient knowledge we still don't fully understand. Some say ramps were used, others believe there was a method lost in time, but no theory explains everything. Now look at this. The pyramids are not randomly placed. They align with incredible accuracy to the stars, specifically Orion Belt, 3 stars, 3 pyramids. Coincidence? Or did ancient Egyptians have knowledge far beyond what we imagine? In 2017, scientists made a discovery that shocked the world. Using advanced scanning technology, they detected a massive hidden void inside the Great Pyramid. A space unlike anything seen before. No entrance, no clear purpose, just an empty chamber, hidden deep inside the structure. Why would such a space exist? The discovery changed everything because there's one hidden space. There could be more. Some researchers believe the pyramids were not just stones, but something far more advanced. Ideas include energy structures, knowledge storage, even ancient scientist devices. Of course, many scientists disagree, but one thing is certain, we still don't know the full truth. Think about it. How did an ancient civilization build something this complex? What knowledge did they have? And more importantly, what have we lost over time? Because if they could build this, what else were they capable of? The pyramids have stood for thousands of years, watching civilization rise and fall. And even today, they continue to keep their secrets hidden. But the real question is, are we ready to uncover the truth?